Hello, my name is Marcy Hampstead, and I am a peer advisor for First Year Advising and Exploration. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use the GPS estimator you can find on myUCF. The GPA estimator can be used to calculate a desired GPA you want to attain, or calculate specific grades and how they will affect your GPA. First you log into myUCF, then click Academic Services, and then click the GPA estimator. You can use your most recent grade report information to fill in the credit hours and GPA. To find your grades, click Student Self-Service, and then on the drop-down menu, select Grades. Here you can see the credit hours and GPA for the semester you're currently in. It lists how many credit hours are counting towards your GPA for your overall and UCF GPA. For this demonstration, we will calculate the overall GPA. So in this example, the overall GPA is a 3.797, and there are 102 credit hours counting towards it. Now we will go back to the GPA estimator and input the data. So for credit hours, we put 102 and GPA of 3.797. Once this is entered, you can input the desired GPA you want to attain by the end of the semester. So for this example, we're going to put a 3.8. Next, you're going to add the amount of classes and credit hours you're taking, but leave out the grades. So for this example, we'll click the plus button saying we're enrolled in 4 classes, and then fill in that they're each worth 3 credit hours. Then click Calculate. The GPA estimator will calculate the minimum grades you need to get to attain the GPA desired, which for this case, you will need 2 A's and 2 A minuses. Or if the GPA is impossible to reach for the semester, a message will appear at the bottom of the page that reads, "It is impossible to reach this GPA." You can also use the GPA estimator to calculate specific grades and how they will affect your GPA. Leave the desired GPA box empty and input 102 for the credit hours and a 3.797 for the GPA. Then we will still say we are enrolled in 4 classes with 3 credit hours apiece. For the grades, I will put a B, B minus, C, and an A. Then hit Calculate. As you can see at the bottom of the page where it says Class GPA, the GPA dropped to a 2.938 if a person were to end up getting those grades at the end of the semester. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact First Year Advising and Exploration. Hope you have a wonderful semester, and go Knights!